So guys, are you also facing this particular issue in your iPhone? You must have put your phone in your pocket, and when you put it out, you would be able to see something like this. Everything is zoomed and you are not able to unlock it. You're not able to do anything. You are not able to uh, power off and on. So how to fix this particular issue? This is the major concern that you're looking for. Right, friends. So I am here to help you out how to fix this particular issue in your new iPhone, because if in case you are an old person who is working on this particular iPhone, then you must be aware about this particular issue. Okay, so what you have to do to fix this particular issue? This issue is nothing but a zoom issue, and to zoom out, or whatever you can say, to fix this particular issue, what you have to do is you need to change certain settings within your iPhone. And obviously, if in case you are an iPhone user, you first want it to get it unlocked, right? Because it's currently locked and you're not able to unlock it. So how and what you will do over here? So the way to fix this particular issue is, first you need to take your three fingers and double tap. Okay, so as you can see, once you double tap on this particular screen, you will be able to zoom out this screen, but don't leave it here, because this issue will appear again whenever you put it in your pocket or somewhere. Whenever there are some accidental touches that happen, this issue will appear again. So the permanent fix that I'm going to provide you. So for a permanent fix, what you have to do is, first unlock your device, and you need to go to settings, and within settings you need to search zoom. Okay, so whenever you search zoom, you will be able to find a setting named accessibility and zoom. Okay, you need to go in this particular setting, not in display zoom. The alternative way is to go to accessibilities and go to this zoom setting, and you will find that the zoom feature is enabled in your phone, maybe by default or whatever, but this particular feature is enabled in your phone, which is actually causing this particular issue. Now what you have to do is just click disable and you are done. Yes guys, you are done. This is the very small video that I'm telling you, and if in case it actually help you in any way, guys, please leave a comment. I just wanted to know whether and how it's actually causing an issue to you. Thank you guys for watching this video.